How to fix Steam Invalid SSL Certificate error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to fix the invalid SSL certificate error on Steam. So if you have been getting that error, it probably means that your date and time is not matching with your device. So what you're going to have to do is go to Start menu and then simply search for date and time settings. Or what you can do is just go to settings. Open up your settings menu, and then once your settings is open, you can search for date and time here. You could usually find it on the system tab. So if you're not able to find it, just go to the search settings and then search for date and time. And click on the first link. So here under time and language, you have date and time. So you could just go ahead and turn this off for now. And if you want to manually set up your date and time, what you can do is click on change. Set up your time and date manually. So you can click here, select anything, click here, change the time as well, and then click on change. Once you've done that, just go ahead and open Steam, close it again, and restart it. Once you do that, your error should go away, and you should be able to use Steam normally again. So what you can do is instead try to turn on this set time and zone automatically, and you don't even have to do anything. Make sure your PC is connected to internet, and it will automatically set up your date and time. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.